Hello, my name is Johannes and I'm covering the module Asking Questions for you. In this module, we shall try answering the question why asking the right question is a critical skill for mentors. But why do we ask questions? Children are curious and innocent, a dangerous combination, but very good for finding things out. Soon after we learn how to speak, we begin using the word why. Because we know nothing, so we have to ask for everything. And because we are children with no barriers and preconceptions, we ask everything from anyone, even without mincing our words. As we grow older, personality, social norms, stereotypes kick in. By the time we get to school, this intrinsic truth-seeking drive of children seems to vanish. This module is about asking questions. To get into the topic, as always in academics, quote a clever person. I chose Carl Jung, famous psychiatrist and psychoanalyst, who said, to ask the right question is already half the solution of a problem. If asking questions is such an important skill, and I would add especially for mentors, you must wonder, how do I learn it? As with any skill, only for very few, questioning is a natural skill. Nobody taught me, and I found a useful summary in several expert papers on questioning. Allow me to propose it as a guiding motto for this module. You can learn how to ask questions, and no matter how low you start, you get better with every question you ask. For me, a good indicator of a good question is the aha effect that follows with the answer. If a person feels a light bulb went on, then they make progress. If they make progress, it means the question was valuable. With this encouragement in mind, let's understand the value of questions and some way of questioning